Minister of Meghalaya Conrad K. Sangma, while addressing newspersons in the city on 25th November, had spoken about the NPP's stand as far as the general elections of 2023 are concerned. Conrad Sangma stated that till date the NPP is intact, though there are personal agendas amongst coalition partners that are addressed from time to time. While speaking about the Congress party losing its base in many states across the country, Sangma said that it is evident that the Congress will not be able to perform well as it had done in the past, though it was difficult for him to predict the future of any party.
No, 2023 is far away when one cannot say what's going to happen. But as I said, whatever the other political parties do, let them do. That's their prerogative. But we as a party, we will not take anything easy. We'll continue working hard, continue to organize the party, and continue to inform and engage with people about the work and the development work and the social work that we have done at the grassroots level. So other parties will continue, but we as a party will not take things anything easy.
So words have come through that you've stated that Congress has a bleak future.
I don't want to predict anything. It's not for me to predict, but the actions are showing that there have been situations where state by state Congress is losing and becoming insignificant in most parts of the country. So, but that's for the Congress to decide on how they move forward. But yes, in a way you're right that I've been mentioning this again and again, and you will also see that in elections in Manipur also that they will not be able to do as well as they have done in the past.
So lastly, one thing is that we hear that things are also not well in NPP. How true is this?
No, not at all. NPP is very much intact. And in political parties or in coalitions, there will always be concerns and there will always be issues that will come out. Everybody has their own personal agendas also. So we try to address those agendas. But as of now, there's no issue.